Okay, so I get a lot of questions on the clutch and everything else I run on these bikes. So Harley clutches, you can run them dry or wet, doesn't really matter. So it's all gonna start out with clutch hub. So this has roller bearings on it, keep those greased. This portion is the inner part that hooks onto the transmission shaft down here. You take your clutch drum, it slides down over the top of this, and then that's what gives you motion between the two. Okay, so each one of these clutches is a mix of fiber plates, steel plates. So the way that you're going to install those, got a fiber plate up against the steel back of the drum, just goes in there like that. These old Harley plates, you have to look around and find the out. So obviously you're going to face that out, and then you put one of those in. Again, alternate fiber plate and find out. These little ball, like chatter releases basically, so it doesn't make a whole like bunch of noise. You just alternate those on which one you have them lined up to. So just keep going through. Again, another fiber plate. Then one of these, line that up over there. Get this one in. Out, and I've got it, so that's there. Then the last one's gonna be a fiber plate. Okay, so now your clutch pack is built. Then you got your pressure plate. Okay, so these old Harleys just had a 3-hole setup on them. So you kind of have to like mess around with it to get it lined up right. And once you get that lined up, there, and the retaining nuts just go on top. And that's how you build a Harley clutch pack. So obviously, I'm gonna take all this back apart because the transmission's on the floor, and you had to put all that in and key it all together before you're doing anything. But that's how these clutches go together.